Hello, this is Lee Mallett with Mallett Buildings. I had a call or a suggestion come in from Mr. Billy Flowers. His concern was permits, site choice, preparation, and that's what I want to address today. Number one, you can pull your own permit if you're building your own building. We offer that, or we'll pull the permit, but if we pull the permit, we become the contractor of record. If we become the contractor of record, there's a surcharge to the price of the building because then we take over the job. And that's really what a contractor does. Most of my competitors will not pull permits. We're very capable of pulling permits, but most people don't want to go to the expense of paying us to take over completely, because at that point, we take over the job, our people run the job. You don't even have to be there. We're going to complete the job as per contract. But it becomes a little more expensive. So I wanted to make that clear. But to address Mr. Flowers, number one, if you're going to pull your own permit, first thing you need to do is you need to call Dottie and get a clearance, and they'll go out there for free and they'll check your site for electrical, anything that's public out there. They're going to check it for you and they're going to flag it so that we'll know when we arrive at your job that we're not to dig right there. Because if I was the contractor for you and you're paying me to be the contractor, that's the first thing I'm going to do before I do anything. Now understand, when we sell a building, it's an accessory building. But a lot of people take the accessory building and they turn it into houses, they turn it into camps, an array of things. They're quite capable of being converted to anything you want. Understand, I'm going to say an accessory building. Any of these things you do, you take that upon yourself. Coming soon though, we're putting a team together. We will start doing turnkey jobs. Not just the structure or the frame out. We'll start offering stuff to do the inside complete. That's coming soon. I'm working on that now. If you have any questions or you'd like to call me, you can always call me at 337-515-2154. That's my personal cell phone number. Every customer that does business with me has my personal cell phone number. So I hope I've answered. If not, give me a call. We'd love to earn your business. Thank you.